welcome back to another bonus video, and I'm again with Original Baby and Gotham Gaming, and now we are going to do jump grab, and let's start the game. Okay, as all of you know that my videos are 10 minutes long, and I can only provide 10-minute long video. So you might have to wait for a few years to get more than 10 minutes. So when after a few years we may get it. And now let's go to commentary. I'm hiding in the bush and someone just shot me. Incredible. There is Colt trying to infect them. Yeah, good. And now Original Baby grabbing on the gems, and Gotham Gaming doesn't have any gems, throwing poison at them. And yeah, wait, where am I? Okay, so now I was a bit confused, and now we're, oh shit, they're coming, and I throw the poison at them. Where is the poison even? Get wrecked, Jesse of opponent team. Now we're going to go and hide again. This is a strategy with Barley, and that Barley just saw us, and apparently that was not. You die, you Jesse dog. And now, oh shit, Colt, you Colty. Oh, hide from Colt, hide from Jesse, Brian, hide from Jesse. Okay, infect this guy, and apparently he died. Okay, Jesse also died. So currently it's 11 ratio, and the countdown is about to finish, and match over. Easy game, although I died like 2 times. Okay, so as you remember from last time, we had barely having a quest, and we're about to finish that quest. Okay. Yeah. So right now we're currently going to play Brawl Ball. If Swastik Gotham is okay with that. So let's see. So okay. So now we're playing Brawl Ball. So let's do this. Okay. Me versus the other team shooting this, and then they have Penny, and Bo, and I didn't get to see the last one. We have barely Nita, and that third one is, I forgot the name. So they have both Penny and this battle girl or guy, and apparently there's one tick, I guess. And where's the ball? Okay, go. Get her. One shot both of us. Well, not one shot, but she literally got saved. And she's dancing like a mobile dance. Okay. And I got the ball. Well, and I see. And where's the ball? Okay. So it's with Palax, or called Original Baby. If you are new, then subscribe. Original Baby is Palax, and Gotham Gaming is Swastik. And I'm having so much problems. Like literally, I have a lot of problems with this Brawl Ball. Okay, so the bear is sitting idle here, you can see, and is going to attack. And then the batter comes, and the Penny is taking it. Why am I going so close in range? Okay, so if you don't know Brawl Stars, you go and get it. It's an awesome game made by Supercell. They also made 3 more games, which is Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, and as I remember, Heyday. And the best I like is Brawl Stars, because it's more action, I think, and the characters are more awesome than the ones you find in the other games. And Original Baby just scored 2 times. Okay, so now they are not interested in playing this game, and I'm just 1 game off in Brawl Ball in the quest. Okay, and apparently they're wanting to play Bounty. Can I get Brawl Ball? Okay, looks like they're not accepting, and I'm pressing ready. Maybe I will get Brawl Ball afterwards, but whatever. Let's play Bounty. If you do not know this game mode in Brawl Stars, it's just that you get 2 stars in the beginning, and you have to gather stars. The more stars you gather, the more chances of you winning. Means like the team which has the most stars wins the game. There are a total of 7 game modes in Brawl Stars. So, you get to a different type of them in all of them. So, join the game and play. These games are extremely fun. And apparently, these 2 are taking me down. So, okay. Opponent is 2 greater than us, and I'm jumping through the jump pad and splashing it with a horde of potions. And did I get him? No. Apparently he's more better than I thought. Okay, let's go there using jump pad, and no enemies. Let's hide. Luckily I didn't get this many. Go. Potions, you go, potions. Alright, get you refilled up. Where is that? Oh my god, what a waste. And he just slapped me with his spinning stuff. Okay, let's go back. Jump. And apparently we cannot move in here. Nice thing to know. And poison. Hold the poison. Okay. Let's go once again. And oh shit. He's apparently taking me down. Okay. There's someone apparently taking me down. Apparently now we are in the lead. We have 32 more seconds. Let's see if we can gather up a few more stars. And hold. Come on. You freaking kidding me? Oh, sorry about the silence. And we're about to win, and we won. So no one killed any. The opponent team didn't kill of my teammate, our team, any of our team, in fast enough so that they could win. And let's see if we completed the quest. No, apparently not. Okay, nice to know. I got some coins. Yes, of course. And next goal is some cards, some energy boost, and a big box which will lead us into the second level. So Swastik is now